Hi folks, welcome back. This is Arlene once again, and this is our blizzard of whatever, 2010. I'm walking out here now. See what I scooped out here so far. Go up to the tractor, I'll show you what I got. What the roads look like. It's brutal out here. There's the tractor. I have it all covered with a tarp, ready to go. I just scooped this out. It's about, at least 15, 16 inches right now, what I scooped out. Here's a tractor. You see it's pretty big. I've got, that's the road if you can see it. Ah, here comes a plow. Truck with a plow. Show you what the house looks like. That's the front end loader covered up. In fact, the front end loader itself is covered, and that's about maybe 15 inches high. And there we go. That's what it looks like, people. Brutal. And here's the grader in the back. It's covered with the snow, as you can see. There it is. See? So it's got a 3-point hitch to it. It's a John Deere tractor underneath that somewhere. But maybe I did the right decision. But look at all that snow. Wicked. I think I'll go in and carve a while. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do. It's mighty pretty though. The wind hasn't kicked up too bad here yet, but it will. Okay folks, see ya.